So, good morning, sir. My name is Naimay Ali, and today I will be going to report or the summary report about our subject, fire protection and arson investigation. So, first, let's define first the word fire. So, fire defined it is the heat and light that comes from burning substances produced by the combustion of substances. It is the manifestation of rapid chemical reaction occurring between a combustible matter and an oxidizer. Such rapid chemical reaction releases energy in the form of heat and light. When a substance burns, heat and light are produced. Burning is also called combustion. So, fire is, di naman nato kailangan nag-elaborate og ayo because we all know what is fire. So, ang giingon lang dire is ang fire or ang heat and light nga kanang bitang ma-feel ug makita nato sa kanang nasunog bitaw nga substance is caused by burning substances, and also giingon diri nga burning is also called combustion. Next would be oxidation, is the chemical reaction in which oxygen chemically combines with the organic elements of combustible substances. Slow oxidation sometimes become rapid, while combustion rapid oxidation of materials. So simply uh, means nga ang oxidation is that ang kanabitaw ang chemical reaction which is ang oxygen chemical ay nag-combine siya sa kanabitang organic elements to create fire. So next, let's go to the theory of fire. State that to produce fire, three things condition must exist. The triangle of fire, which is the heat, fuel, oxidizing agent. Number one is the heat or the ignition temperature. Fuel is the combustible matter or organic material, hydrocarbons. Oxidizing agent, the common oxidizing agent is oxygen, which is abundant in air. Air is composed of oxygen, nitrogen, and inert gas. So this triangle of fire must kay dapat kompleto siya in order to create a fire. Next is the chemical properties of fire, the endothermic reaction, exothermic reactions, oxidation, flames. So number one is the endothermic reaction. Changes whereby energy, heat is absorbed or is added before the reaction takes place. So ang endothermic is nag-absorb bitaw siya sa kanang nasa iyang palibot, which is gina-absorb bitaw niya to kuan bitaw to kanang sa center niya, while ang exothermic reaction does that release or give off energy. Heat thus the produce substances with less energy than reactants. So kabaliktara, opposite sa endothermic ang exothermic ay ang endothermic is nag-absorb siya heat energy, while ang exothermic ay nagpagawa siya heat energy. Next is na-discuss naman nato ang oxidation. Next will be the flames. Flames are incandescent, very bright, glowing with intense heat. Kasi it is a combustion product and a manifestation of fire when it is in gas-phase combustion. So next is the flame. Let's define flame. So flame is the matter produced by fire. It is composed of burning incandescent gases. It is the manifestation of fire when the fire is in gas-phase combustion. So kabalo naman taon sa flame, no, kanang kung nainasunog, kung unsay makita nimo, unsay visible sa mong eyes, kay mao na siya ginatawag nga flame. So there are two types of flame according to color and completeness of combustion: the luminous flame and the non-luminous flame. So luminous flame, reddish orange in color, it deposit soot because it is product if in complete combustion. It has lower temperature. While non-luminous flame is bluish in color, it does not deposit soot because it is a product of complete combustion. It has higher temperature and than luminous flame. So ang luminous flame daw is kanang dili kay siya init bitaw. Then naga-deposit siya soot. So ang soot bitaw ay kanang itong bitaw nga mo ma-deposit sa isa ka butang nga makuha sa iyang aso. Mao na soot. And ang non-luminous flame is blue yung color. Ang sa luminous day is red orange yung color, while sa non-luminous is blue yung color og init yung temperature. Next is the classification of fire based on cause, natural fire, accidental fire, and or intentional fire. So based on burning fuel, four classes of fires. Class A fires, ordinary fires. Ordinary fires, type of fire resulting from the burning of wood, paper, textiles, rubber, and other carbonaceous material. In short, this is type of fire caused by ordinary combustible material. So class A fires karabitang for example nagasunog kag wood or paper, so that is example of class A fires. So class B fires, liquid fires caused by flammable or combustible liquids such as kerosene, gasoline, benzene, oil products, alcohol, and other hydrocarbon derivation. So ang class B fires is mga liquid bitaw nga mga cause of fire like kerosene and other oil products. Next would be the class C fires, electrical fires, fire that start and leave electrical wires, equipment, motors, electrical appliances, and telephone switchboard. So ang class C fires is ang nag-cause sa fire is from electricity like kanabitang wire nga mokalitrag kasunog. So mo na types of class C fires. So next would be the class D fires. Fires that result from the combustion of certain metals in finely divided form. These combustible metals include magnesium, powder, calcium, and potassium. And last is the zinc. So, for products of combustion, the heat, flame, fire gases, and smoke. Heat, the product of combustion responsible for the spread of fire. Uh, so, so ang heat daw is ang responsible sa pag-spread bitaw sa fire, while ang flame is kanang kung sa itong makita while na inasunog, and fire gases in a most fire, it consists of mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and finely divided particles. So ang fire gases is kanang bitong aso sa flame, kanang itom nga makita bitaw nato while nasunog. In smoke, some material keep more smoke than others. Next is the insufficient oxygen. Fire consumes an enormous amount of oxygen. So when a fire occurs in a closed space, very little oxygen is left or meant to breathe. So they are the percentage in the components of fire. Last would be the flame based on smoothness. We have two different types, the laminar flame and turbulent flame. Sorry, so wala na ko siya na appeal sa slide. So ang laminar flame, it is the smooth flame, or ang laminar flame bitaw is kanang bitaw while nasunog bitaw dili ma-change ang formation sa flame bitaw. Mao na laminar flame. While the turbulent flame is kanang bitaw rough siya, rough types of flame nga kanang while ga kalayo is kanang bitaw kanang malahi-lahi bitaw ang shape sa flame. So thank you sir, that's all for this subject. Thank you and God bless.